To update the Ledger Nano S Plus firmware, start by visiting the official Ledger website and navigating to the support section. Click on the Ledger Nano S Plus and select the firmware update option. Download the latest firmware version for your device, making sure to verify the authenticity of the download by checking the digital signature. Next, connect your Ledger Nano S Plus to your computer using the provided USB cable. Ensure your device is unlocked and in the dashboard screen. Open the Ledger Live application on your computer and click on the Manager tab. If an update is available, you will see a notification prompting you to update your firmware. Click on the Update button to begin the process. Ledger Live will guide you through the necessary steps, including verifying the firmware version and installing the update. You may be required to enter your device PIN to confirm the update. During the update process, your Ledger Nano S Plus will automatically restart. Once the update is complete, your device will be restored to the dashboard screen. Verify that the firmware version has been successfully updated by navigating to the Settings section on your device. It is essential to note that updating the firmware will not affect your stored cryptocurrencies or private keys. However, as a precautionary measure, ensure you have your recovery seed phrase securely stored in a safe location. Regularly updating your firmware is crucial to maintain the security and functionality of your Ledger Nano S Plus. In conclusion, updating the Ledger Nano S Plus firmware is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few minutes. By following these steps and best practices, you can ensure your device remains up to date and secure, providing you with a reliable and trustworthy means of managing your digital assets. Always prioritize security and verify the authenticity of any downloads to protect your device and assets from potential threats.